Hi, today in front of me Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now let's tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, click here to open the app, click to yes I agree, we close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, then click here to the just see to the health section, and in my case it's good. So that's it. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, just capacity, voltage, model of device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.